This is my Spiderman costume. There's some of the tips I can give you on making it right. Let's get started. Some things you'll need to make it. 2 spandex bodysuits, a red and blue. You're going to need assorted needles. You're going to need some thread of different colours. You're going to need some webbing. You can use some puffy paint for that. And also a Spiderman toy mask. This will go underneath to create a nice face shell that's cheap and effective. So once you have all the red and blue pieces cut, you can stitch them all together, placing the red parts on top of the blue parts, and the eyes, which are made out of some mesh and a little piece of metal for the outer piece of the lens. As you can see, my mask is separate, my gloves come off separate as well, so I can take them off. And there we have it. My Spider-Man costume is complete. And remember guys, please like, comment and subscribe. Leave a suggestion in the comments of what I could make next. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.